of the world, flying high through mountains, trees, and open sky. With feathers bright and songs to sing, birds of the world do amazing things. The eagle soars